Alright guys, my name is Andrew, and this is my first self-made wire stripper. Alright, it's pretty self-explanatory. It's pretty easy to make. I mean, I just found a piece of wood and I drilled a hole through it, and then I grabbed like a dart, and then I carved into it as much as I can, and then I grabbed the razor blade and I stuffed it in there, and I stuffed it in there so hard that to the point where I don't know if you can see it, but it's sticking through probably an eighth of an inch in there. And I'm gonna show you how it works right now actually. It's pretty fucking awesome, actually. Here. Alright, so basically I have an in and an out. So the wire goes in through the in, and so there. You just push it. Fuck. Oh, well, you still, it works, trust me, just watch. For fuck's sakes. Alright, so it's through. Alright, now you grab this end, you grab this with this, and you just pull it through. Alright? Just like that. Just like that. This is a slightly larger piece, probably I don't know, 40 feet. I'm doing them in pieces because they freaking will get tired, probably. Almost done. There we go. Alright. So that was the end of it. And now, I'm going to show you the outcome right now. So check this out. Look how easy that's coming out. And that's just from a homemade thing I made in probably less than 30 minutes. I mean, it took me 45 minutes to come up with it and shit, but it works.